How to find and use Costco promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now type in Costco promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can use any of the website given over here to get Costco promo codes. For instance, I'm gonna use this one, groupon.com. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of offer and promo code options. You can head towards the section of codes. Over here, you will be able to find all the codes. Likewise, clicking on the option of deals, you will be able to find all the great deals of Costco. So you can scroll down and check out all the deals and offers. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on it. Once you open it, click on this option of show terms. So here are the terms and conditions of the code. Now you can copy this code and use it. I have selected this code for $20 off on Costco shop card. After you copy the code, you can log into your Costco account. And when you check out, you can apply this code and get the discount. Using this given code, I'm gonna get $20 off. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code. If the code has been expired, it won't work. So please note, before using any of the code, make sure to check the date. So this is how you can find Costco discount and promo codes and apply it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.